In this new age of exciting technology and information, our heads are full of ideas and constantly stimulated. The problems become not being able to stop. We can't switch off. It's go, go, go all the time. Everyone's talking about solutions for your brain, be it meditation, mindset, or optimizing performance. But ironically, with all these practices, it's just adding pressure to your already full schedule. Rather than adding more stress to your busy life, you can train your nervous system to do the hard work for you. What you might not realize is that the nervous system leads your brain. It is your first defense against stress, anxiety, and depression. As a neuroscientist, I've put together revolutionary research over the last decade to bring you the best techniques to train your nervous system and optimize your life. It incorporates cutting-edge neuroscience, biology, and psychology, with the results speaking for themselves. So if you're sick of struggling and trying programs that haven't met your expectations, it's time to try something different. Stop trying to train your brain. Train your nervous system instead. It is the fastest, most efficient practice for deep learning and meaningful change. Best of all, I don't just tell you what to do, I show you practical exercises backed by the latest scientific research so you can live your life without having to think about it.